Hello and hi. My name is Guzairi. So as promised, for video this time is I will teach you how to make set OBS zoom setting in zoom setting as OBS Virtualcam. So this zoom setting you can download zoom at zoom official website, and when you download, until you finish download, you install the zoom software, and then open the zoom application or software, and click to the setting of the zoom that you will bring in this image of the zoom setting. uh, in this you can close the zoom, and you just use the zoom setting as zoom OBS video cam. um, and then you need to install the virtual cam for OBS. You can google the video cam OBS, and you need to download and install the video cam, and then you can use this zoom setting camera as a OBS video cam. So uh, so you go to the sources and click the plus button and search for game capture, and for this video I name it as zoom, and I click OK. Why I choose game capture? Because other sources cannot find the setting of the zoom application, and then you choose a capture specific windows, and you select the zoom setting. Okay, as you can see, this method can take my camera using the zoom. Okay, and then click OK, and drag the camera to the bottom of this video, and you can see I can change the background. Okay, I can change the background. Alright, and then how you're gonna put OBS as an video cam. Okay, so for this video I do not resize to full frame to be my video cam using OBS, but you can do it and right click, transform, and fit to screen lah. The cam will fit the screen, and you can use for example here I'm using the Google Meet as uh, to show you that this method okay can remove the background, replace with your background using OBS virtual cam, but using the setting of the zoom lah. Okay, not using the default camera in your PC or your webcam. Okay, what you have to do is click this three dot, three circle, and click the settings, click the video, and select video. Here for this video I'm using OBS camera virtual cam as my video. And so this is the thing lah. You can see I can change the background. Okay, oh, it's quite late, it's not change. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, it bit later. Okay, so you can change the background as in zoom. You can change to the video background. uh, Video background. Okay, a bit late here. Okay, all right. Okay, so you can imagine if this camera capture in full frame, so you will have like this. We have the alternative from using the green screen. You use a zoom setting camera and through the OBS Virtualcam. Okay, you can change. You can make this as your webcam, Google Meet cam. Alright. Okay, that's all for today. My sharing on my knowledge, on my explore on the function of Zoom setting and also for OBS. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel and hit the button to receive more information from my updates videos. And that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy the video and you can use as your own. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.